Namaskar everyone, again I am here to tell you about mensuration. In previous we have read about perimeter. Okay, now I am telling you how we will find area. What is the meaning area? Area means mostly children are confused in area and perimeter. Today I will clear it. Area means suppose I am drawing a shape. Okay, in this shape I want to grassing means grass, we have to grass place it. So what I have to do, I cannot find out the boundary, total of the boundary. I have to find out the how much space is there, then only I will hire a person, then I will clear the area to him, then he will tell me the rate of this. So in this I want how much space in the shape. What area is telling you? How much space in the shape. Yes, how much space in the shape. So we want how much space in the shape, that we are calling it area. How much area? So area we are finding for 2D shape. Area we are finding for 2D shape. 2D shape means 2 dimensions, length and breadth. Okay, for length and breadth we are finding what? Area. For 3D shape we are not finding area. It's clear? Up now for area we want unit. What we want? Unit. Like just say in time chapter you need hours, minutes, yes, seconds, and for length, breadth, length, capacity you need meter, centimeter, kg. So like this in area also we want unit. So we have decided for area, square is the measuring unit for area. Square is the measuring unit of area. Why? Because square is a unique shape. I am just clearing with this example. Suppose this is my tabletop. Suppose. Okay. Now I am going to place with my palm. This is my palm. If I am going to place with my palm, so my palm is going to cover, suppose 5 or 6 palm will cover my tabletop. Okay. So I can write area is equal to 5-6 palms. Now my friend has come. He or she will also measure that. So that measurement of his or her palm will be different. Okay. So I cannot get the proper answer if I am placing suppose biscuits on it. So the biscuit size also depend on the area. Yes, if small biscuits, then big answer will come. If big biscuit, then answer will come that. So I am not getting the proper answer for it. So that I have decided the unit, the square is a perfect shape, and this is I am using for measuring. The reason behind it, suppose I am taking circle. Okay, so little space is covering, is blank inside, because circle is not covering full. This much area is blank, but a square is a proper shape in the maths for 2D that having the all sides equal. That's why I have used square is the unit, measuring unit. Now the question is coming, what is the area of rectangle? So in rectangle I need length and breadth. If I am going to multiply it, I will get my answer. Okay. Area of square. Square all sides equal. So for lengthwise I have to use side. Breadthwise also I have to use side, because all sides equal. So my formula will be side into side. Fine. Okay. So these two area we will read in this class, in this chapter, in this module, and the measuring unit is square. Suppose I am taking one example. Length is 6 centimeter and breadth is 3 meter. Okay, breadth is 3 centimeter. So area of rectangle will be length into breadth 6 into 3, so it will be 18, not centimeter, square centimeter, we can write in short as Q. Okay, now I am telling you how I will classify ki in which question we have to find out area, in which question we have to find out perimeter. So if the situation is going to have touch the boundary, then we will have perimeter. If space wise any situation, grassing the field, ploughing or carpeting, flooring, okay, so in these situation we will find area. Got it? In next module I will tell you more about it. Bye bye children.